I love MiniDiscs, as you know, but I never really collected unopened discs. I mean, they're for recording and playing, right? Well, during my last trip to a hard-off in Japan, I picked up these old, classic, sealed Denon MDs. Check out the original sticker price. I've heard these specific ones are quite rare, so I'm going to open them up, but leave a box for the collector who wants them. You can see the yellowed original tape on there. I almost feel bad for opening them. If these were sold at that sticker price in 1999 or so, that would be about $110 for 5 discs. The boxes are still sealed and in good shape considering their age. I'm having second thoughts, but let's do this. From the top. Quick slice. Let's see what 20-plus-year-old sealed discs look like. Oh, interesting. They aren't individually sealed like some packs. Hold on, these were sealed, right? What's that V? That is a good-looking disc. Not as colorful as some, but it looks like it's all business. Made in Japan, no screws, probably sonically welded like most. I've heard there's a variant of these that is more rare and slightly different, but in the same box. Not fancy, but still a good-looking disc. There's that V again. Hold on. It's probably a check mark for quality control. Yep, there it is again. Looks like these were QC'd at the factory and someone had to put a check mark on the disc sleeve. Very nice. Let's open up one more and leave the last one sealed for the collector. Okay, same discs, and there's that QC checkmark again. These QC checks were done by hand because each one is different, and this batch has them at a different angle than the first. Well, there you have it, some 20 to 25-year-old sealed Denon MiniDiscs. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at those rare discs. As always, thanks for watching.